Well, spring has sprung, and it's that time of year to tackle spring cleaning.
Yes, Kathryn, Emery, lifestyle expert. Finally, she is back here with her 4 tips to make that job so much easier. And Kat, when you come on the show, we love it because you spend so much time
right?
researching all these gadgets that make our lives easier. What do you have today?
Absolutely. Thank you for saying that, Derek. It's so nice to see you both. So I've been running around all these trade shows. Who likes to spring clean? Show of hands. Exactly.
Who likes to any clean?
I like the robots to do it for me. So
yes.
You'll see here, I've got a couple items and also things that do multiple things at once. So do you want this right here? This is a wet dry vac in one. So as you can see, there's a little wet mess on the front here. A little wet mess,
which I'm just going to add.
Pour a little bit more. So what we love about
this
is this is the Robo-Rock. So I found these at Consumer Electronics Show. It's got multiple motors, and multiple rollers. It's going to automatically know if it's a wet or dry mess and change the direction of the motor.
Oh my
Isn't
gosh,
that amazing?
look at that.
It does so many things. You heard it talking to you too. Dude, there you go. You can just leave it on. She tells you tank full. So it's also, look at how little it is too. You can just get where you need to go. I love it because it goes, the rollers go the length of the head there. Oh, and then we have our robot vac too. Because Court, are you feeling me here? Do you like to vac? You like to mop?
No, and especially with a dog.
This is also the vacuum here. Come on, here we go. The robots aren't listening to me, but they also listen to Alexa. Too bad we don't have her on set.
Wait, so Kathryn, this will clean up the mess. Just to recap, it'll clean up a spill, but then also work as a regular vacuum.
Yes,
so
it's a wet dry vac.
A wet dry,
absolutely.
2 in 1.
So it's everything you need in one, and this will vacuum and mop for you, and then it will clean itself. So this is also Robo-Rock. This is the Max Plus. You know, we've all seen the Roombas, right? But this also mops, but then it takes care of that dirty water. So not only does it vacuum and mop for you, it cleans itself. Can we get my kid in on this program? I mean, come on, right?
This is amazing.
So the Robo-Rock robots have it.
Mopping and vacuuming in one.
Both of these are good for hardwoods?
Yes.
All floor types?
And carpet, they can go under. This has like a vibrise. It'll scrub.
Okay.
But then it'll sense when it needs to lift a little bit more. It also has AI. It's got a 3D camera.
Look,
so
I don't even know what any of that is. If it's going to do it for me, sign me up.
It's basically the latest innovation.
So cool.
So Robo-Rock, I love them. Found them at CES.
Here?
So here we go. Everybody grab a drill because you know what? Why are we going to use our own power? Roto Scrub and Roto Plumb. So you're using your drill to clean. Tile, tub, shower. You just put these little pads on there. It goes onto any drill.
That is
right?
genius.
So that's Roto Scrub. Sorry,
Robo-Rock
is hitting you. And then, Courtney, you feel me, girl. Are your clogs constantly drained? I mean, I'm sorry, constantly drained.
Yes.
Right?
Wait, you're talking because of the hair?
Plugged. Yes, exactly.
So this is like a DIY home version of what a plumber does.
Isn't that amazing? So Roto Plumber. So these are Lowe's items. I love them. I mean, hence the blue right there.
And this just works with any drill.
Any drill. So you just put it right on there. Robo-Rock is
How much is that thing?
So, oh gosh, I don't know. You got to go to the Lowe's.
But it's less expensive than calling a plumber, for sure.
And I love it.
And probably better than using a wire hanger.
Absolutely. Tub, shower, anywhere. You can put that down there. So we all know that updating our cabinet hardware can really change the look and feel for spring.
Yeah.
And it's so easy. See right there. So what I like, this is Liberty Hardware's antimicrobial finish on there. So you can actually update the look and feel of the hardware. Switch plates, knobs, pulls, where people are touching the most, where all the germs are, right?
Yeah.
That antimicrobial protection is built onto the finish, and it lasts a lifetime.
Genius.
So, and then last but not least, you guys use microfiber. Microfiber is the mighty, it's looped thousands of times. You have microfiber at your house, right? So these are quickie. These are from Home Depot, and I love them. Here's the beautiful thing. You just get it wet. That's all you need because the microfiber is looped thousands of times. It effectively removes all those germs instead of pushing them around like paper towels and cotton cloths.
Great for blinds too, right?
You throw them in the wash and use them over and over again. So those, just get microfiber. Microfiber's the best thing to clean.
And they do last for years. I mean, we've had ours for years.
It's good for the environment.
These are so cool. And that robot is about to get your feet again.
Well,
it scared me. It scared me a little bit earlier.
But he's not hitting us because of the AI,
the
camera, the lights.
Always bringing in good things. Coming up, Kathryn is sticking around to show us 4 sustainable home updates for the outside of your home just in time for Earth Day. Keep it right here. Oh, and it's looking at my feet.
Oh, it loves your toes.
It's going around, though. Isn't that amazing?
Tickle, tickle. We'll be right back.